What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right here we have the DEWALT miter saw. This is big. It is heavy. Woo! This thing is a monster. Okay, so this is not mine. I don't want this one. I want a different one. I want a Ryobi, the battery Ryobi one. But anyways, that's a whole nother story. So we got this one because we need to make these cuts on our countertop because we're doing it custom. So our countertop is 14 inches. So we need to make some real sharp cuts so we can merge it together real tight. Today, we have one of the biggest products that has landed on this channel. Now, like I said in the video, this is not mine. So we're gonna leave it as that. My father-in-law is mad about this unit. It's good, okay? Don't get me wrong. I know on this video, the DEWALT fans are going to throw me on the ground. I am a DEWALT fan. I'm more of a Ryobi fan. My favorite color is green, so I'm more attracted to Ryobi. But this thing is okay. Now, for the price point of $650, which is $100 less. When I went to Lowe's, I scanned it on my phone and it says $550. So we was having a little discrepancy there. And then the manager said, just give it to the man because it's scanning on the phone as $550. And in their system, they didn't update it. So maybe DEWALT is coming out with a newer model and they marking this price down. Anyways, that's blah, blah, blah stuff. So this is a 12-inch blade. You can cut up to 14 inches. Now, when you buy this from Lowe's or whatever, it says 16-inch maximum. I don't know how they cut the 16-inch maximum. Maybe the professional carpenters may tell you. I'm not a professional carpenter. Now, the 14 inches that I was getting, it was leaving a little lip at the bottom. This is easy to adjust. You put your finger right here. There's a button right here. And you can adjust to the degree cut you want. Now that says 0, so that means it's a straight cut. Easy to lift guard. You want to see your line that you're cutting. And this rolls smooth, very smooth. They are promoting 15 amps. They promoting this as a 15 amp corded saw. You see that right here? Right here. This is 20 amps. Guess what happened? It kicked it off 2 times. So I think there is an electrical problem with this because the motor is still warm. And I'm gonna be honest, the motor shouldn't even still be warm. I haven't used this in almost 2 hours now. The motor should be cold. The motor is still warm. I could feel warmth in here. So maybe the machine is not grounded right. Maybe. I don't know. But it kicked the 20 amp off 2 times. I think that was one of the biggest concerns. What else? Anything else? Okay, you guys, so in case y'all want to know, a little bag do come with this. You know, I think at the price point at $500 and up, you should get an even bigger bag. Or, you know, you're going to cut a lot of wood. A lot of sawdust is going in this little bag. This is a small bag. That's my only thing with it. You know, I'm like, if I'm paying that much money, I mean, come on. Like, can we make the vacuum bag a little bit bigger, you know, at this point in time? But anyways, that is it with that. It will be here for at least one more day. I'm gonna try to drop this video today. If you need to know anything else with it, drop a comment and I'll try to get back with you. But other than that, the miter saw that I want is the Ryobi battery power miter saw. I can't wait to get it. Right now, it's expensive, so I'm not getting that right now. I got other things that I want to do. Yeah, you get a clamp with this, put it in, you could clamp stuff down. That's about it. Okay, you guys, right now I got me a little piece of 2x4, right? But I'm gonna cut it long ways. So I'm gonna put it on like that, and we're gonna cut it long ways. I'm gonna bring y'all a little bit closer so y'all can see the blade work. Power is on. I got it on my 20 amp powers over there. So let's see. Matter of fact, let me attach the bag just for the fun of it. Kind of don't need the bag, but it's here. So, all right, bag is on. My piece of wood here. Cool thing about this too, it got a light. You can turn the light on and off. You gotta love DEWALT with the lights. They love lights. So that's pretty cool. You can turn the light on. And it also have a shadow right here. So you can actually see where your blade is going to be. So the shadow right here, you could actually be on your line with the shadow. That's pretty cool. All right, let's split this thing. Oh, you see that? It cut my circuit breaker off. I think this thing is not grounded. Like, let me turn my circuit breaker on and then I'll come right back. All right, you guys, I am back. I am back. All right, you guys, so I'm obviously not a professional. I'm just a regular DIYer. But as y'all can see, if y'all wanted to see the working function, this thing functions pretty well. Now, for 3 times, it kicked my 20 volts out. I'm at 20 amps. I don't know why. I don't know. I think this thing is not grounded right, but either way. All right, you guys, so that's the end of that review. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel. I'm always reviewing something, whether it's tools, whether it's the Wi-Fi stuff for the home, you know, smart devices, whatever. Come subscribe to the channel. We have more stuff on the way. Like, comment, and subscribe.